So take a deep breath. And I really want you guys, if you can, let's all take a moment to just give gratitude to our bodies, our minds, and our spirit. Tell yourself thank you. Give yourself love and some forgiveness and compassion. Really connect from a heart-centered space. And you're asking, how do I do that? If it's hard for you to use those words, if you can close your eyes and visualize your heart the way that you've seen it, the little emoji coming from your chest, and those blood cells that are pulsating from your heart through your body, your circulation, see those cells turn into the shape of a heart. All those blood cells as they pump out of your heart and into each part of your body. They're in the shape of a heart, moving love, forgiveness, and compassion all throughout your physical body, making an emotional and spiritual imprint, sending that into the aura layer and out into the universe, surrounding you with love, keeping you safe. As your feet are flat on the floor, your palms are face up on your thighs. For those of you who want to lay down for the meditation, please make sure to keep your feet flat on the floor for the first few minutes. As you breathe with the rhythm of your body, command your heartbeat to sync up with your breath. Don't worry about staying in the visualization of your blood cells taking on the shape of a heart. That is automatically going to continue because we're going to call our higher self above us in a comfortable distance above our heads, and just command the higher self to sit at a distance of 2 feet above your crown. It's a little too close. You feel the heat, the tingliness. Pop it up 6 feet. Is that still a little bit too close? If not, pop it up 10 feet and keep popping it up until you just feel a nice, comfortable airiness between you and your higher self, but you still feel its presence above you. Pull your aura in 1.5 feet around you. Ground your energy into Mother Earth from that heart-centered space. Create roots. Make sure your grounding cord is 6 inches in diameter and connected to your first chakra. As you take a deep breath in and relax even deeper, bring your awareness to the center of your head. How do I do that, you say? You can visualize a stairway from your heart all the way up into the center of your head. Have fun with it. Visualize, create, or imagine a ladder or a staircase that is golden. And walk your energy up from the heart, all the way up through the throat, past your mouth, past your nose. And right there, you're sitting in the center of your head as that staircase or ladder dissolves. And you look around and you see what is in there. You don't need any of it. We're going to get rid of it. So now you're going to create, visualize, imagine roses outside your aura layer, one to the right and one to the left. This is the universal symbol of transmuting negative energy into positive energy. And you're going to command your third eye to open like the lens of a camera. And you are going to send out all of the worry, doubt, and fear into the roses outside your aura. This can be done magically by all of this stuff floating out into the aura, into the roses outside your aura, or you can call in golden rose-shaped cleaning utensils to come in. Golden rose-shaped trash bags, brooms, mops, disinfectant, and just go to cleaning, filling up those golden rose-shaped trash bags, sweeping, getting in those corners, cleaning out every single thing in the center of your head, except for you and a comfortable place to sit. Move all of it out. And then when you have moved all of that energy out into those roses outside your aura, I want you to give it an energetic push, 5 feet away, 10 feet away, 20 feet away, and blow them up, turning them into positive creative life force energy for anyone to use, and giving all those people, places, and things their energy back. And a golden sun above your head. So while you're blowing up these roses, you can imagine them turning into fireworks. And that's the positive creative life force energy. You can put some energetic dynamite underneath it and see it blow up. And it's not hurting anything. What it is doing is celebrating, giving the energy back to that person, breaking all ties. Any worry, doubts, fear, jealousy, envy, problems, traumas, you're blowing it up. You're getting rid of it, and you're giving them their energy back. As your energy, you call it back into the golden sun above your head. It automatically just comes back in. And as you do this, you're breathing with the rhythm of your body. And I just want to gently remind you that you are grounded and rooted into Mother Earth. The grounding cord that is 6 inches in diameter, connected to that heart chakra, clean, clear, and filled with gold light. Your aura is 1.5 feet around you. Your higher self is above you. Your astral body is snapped in. You have a golden, beautiful sun above your head with all your energy that has been called back, sitting in that golden sun. As you're breathing with the rhythm of your body, and your heartbeat is synced with your breath. And now, as you sit in the center of your head, in this beautiful golden room, I want you to see, visualize, imagine, and create an integration of the right brain, that creative, intuitive energy, and that left brain, that logic and reason, beginning to communicate and connect with one another. While you're sitting in the center of your head, be the captain of allowing for those brain cells, those synapses, and those neurons to begin to communicate and dance with one another. Above you, below you, around you, so that you're integrating and there's a congruence, and any dissonance is now being resolved and dissolved. Moved out into those roses outside your aura, 5 feet away from you, because once you blew up the ones before, others appear there. They're there automatically. Move that dissonance, that energy of confusion, that lack of clarity about your career, about your relationship, about your prosperity, about your past. Move it out into the rose outside your aura. It doesn't matter what it looks like. Is it cloudy? Is it mucusy? What is it? It doesn't matter. Move it out. Is it words? Is it people? Put it into that rose outside your aura. As that energy begins to fill up that golden sun above your head, allow this to take place as I asked you to move your awareness to the bottoms of your feet and open the bottoms of your feet like the lens of a camera. Open your hand chakras like you would the lens of a camera, and command 15% earth energy of a color that resonates with you. Is it red for fire? Do you need to be motivated and more productive? Is it green for healing? Are we moving out depression, anxiety, disease, and illness? Or is it blue that we need to move in the healing waters of calmness, moving out anger, frustration, irritation? Is it the pink of unconditional love and forgiveness for ourselves and those around us? Is it a combination of all of those things? A beautiful rainbow of energetic energy from Mother Earth that is neutral. The labels that we're putting on it in society have nothing to do with the beauty of the rainbow of Mother Earth, bringing in that nurturing energy of the promise of a beautiful and elevated planet. If humankind can connect, bring in that energy, see it come up the medial and the lateral side channels of your legs. 15%, command it to be so. You know this, we're just asking you to remember. Allow for this energy to pull in your feet, come up the side channels of your legs as it goes past your ankles and your shins and your knees. It's coming up past that femur, cleaning out that femoral artery, allowing for that love to pulsate through your channels of manifestation, pushing you, prodding you, and loving you towards your purpose. Move out any doubt, any fear, any labels, any judgments, any criticisms out of these legs, any childhood trauma you may be holding. Allow for this essence of Mother Earth to bring in that forgiveness, bring in that love, move out that negativity. Whatever color you have, it comes into the hips, the sacrum, and it starts to go down, does a U-turn, goes down the grounding cord as you bring in that golden sun of your own energy. And then allow for that 85% cosmic gold. Generate, visualize, or imagine beautiful golden energy pouring into your crown as it fills up the center of your head, stabilizing, fortifying the connection between that right and that left brain, that electricity pulsating with gold light as it moves down through your throat chakra, and then it hits that spine, the base of that spine, as it moves down and lights up each one of those vertebrae, inspiring and motivating the nervous system to get you up, get you motivated, get you stepping into wellness. As it moves down each one of those vertebrae, and it begins to mix in with that earth energy and your own energy. Now it begins to fill you up like water fills up a cup in the center, filling up your ankles, all the way, your knees, your thighs, mixing into that colon, the reproductive organs, the liver, the kidney, the spleen, all of the organs of the body, the bones, the spine, all of the organs of the body, the stomach, the transverse, the descending, the sigmoid colon, all of it, moving up into the sacrum, all the way up the chest, the heart, the aorta, the lungs, the rib cage. That energy is moving through, cleaning, detoxifying, bringing in health, wellness, as it bifurcates down those shoulders, separates, goes into the fingers, the phalanges, the thumb, moving up the wrist, all the way up the radius and the ulna, and the upper arms and the elbow, moving out disease and illness as it comes up the neck and the crown, and it begins to sprout out of the crown, filling up the aura layers. And this is how you clean out your spiritual body, your soul architecture, moving out disease, illness, judgment, doubt, worry, fear, shame, traumas, moving in divine life force energy, wellness, sanity, prosperity, aligning you with the laws of the universe. Hold the space as you breathe with the rhythm of your body, and you allow for this 15% earth energy of a color that resonates with you to mix in with all of your energy that you called back in that golden sun, along with that 85% cosmic life force energy, raining down that crown, mixing in with that loving blood cells running throughout your body as it sprouts out into that aura layer, pulsating love out, throughout your whole system, out into the universe, to those that you love, enlightening, uplifting, and elevating everything around you as you connect with the divine energy of Mother Earth and cosmic life force energy. As you shine bright in this universe, knowing that you are a being of light and of love. Breathe, take a deep breath in as you let this flow. Continue to breathe with the rhythm of your body as I gently remind you that your heartbeat is synced up with your breath. You're grounded and rooted into Mother Earth with a grounding core that is 6 inches in diameter, clean and clear and filled with gold light, bringing you into the present moment. Your aura is 1.5 feet around you. Your higher self is above you, and your astral body is snapped in. Feet in your feet, knees in your knees, hips in your hips, shoulders in your shoulders, head in your heads, hands in your hands. It's at 15% and 85 mixes in with your energy, sprouting out into that aura layer as those blood cells move that love all throughout your body, healing you and bringing you into wellness. Take a deep breath in. Bring your awareness back into the center of your head and see those synapses and neurons talking to each other. Create that golden staircase or ladder and bring your awareness back down into that heart chakra as that ladder staircase dissolves itself. We want you to close your feet chakras like you would the lens of a camera and stop running energy. If there are still roses outside your aura, please give them a push, blow them up, turn them into positive creative life force energy. Close your hand chakras like you would the lens of a camera. Close your crown chakra. Take a deep breath in. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes.
Very nice. Thank you.